For ages, wild horses roamed the steppes, pushtas and vast open plains. Those herds were the ancestors of the Frisian horse. It was the Romans who first purposely started breeding horses, carefully considering the characteristics that might be taken advantage of. These formed the basis of their breeding selection. European breeding was greatly influenced by the Arabian horse. This breed was introduced into Europe via the northern coast of Africa and so into Andalusia. Thus, during Spain's Golden Age, it spread all over Western Europe. The Lipizzaner and the Kladrup spreading into Central Europe, and the Frisian mainly into the Low Countries along the North Sea coast. The characteristics of the Frisian horse perfectly met the requirements of the work at a dairy farm. Farmers and horses grew closer and closer. For generations, the breeding of the Frisian has been directed by the farmers. The Frisian became an indispensable friend and workmate. The horse played its essential role both during the daily work on the land and at ceremonies within the farming communities. In breeding, the emphasis naturally was on a horse's practical use and its movement. The horse became indispensable both in the transport of milk and manure and in the transport of people. It showed its power when drawing the muck spreader, but proved proud and elegant when drawing the gig on family outings, or at weddings, fairs and trotting races, and when being harnessed. The Frisian horse provided the necessary drawing power during the first years of agricultural mechanization in the 19th century. It was the horse that set the pace during mowing time, drawing the harvester and hay tedder. The horse was to gradually disappear from the farmyard only after the Second World War, when the throbbing tractors were introduced. And thus it happened that a mere 400 horses were left in Friesland in 1976, among them just 4 stallions. But people did not lose their fascination for this elegant, proud and graceful quadruped, and thus the citizen took over where the farmer left off. The horse from farmer to citizen, or from transport to sport, so to speak. From draft horse in the Frisian paradise to a horse used and loved all over the world in leisure activities. Once the Frisian and his farmer were close partners from the crack of dawn when collecting the milk cans until sunset, when still bringing in the harvest. Now the Frisian is a trusty steed for many city dwellers, forming a new trotting or cantering unity in the elegant quadrille, or when tilting at the ring, at dressage and driving. Horse and trotting races in the northern provinces go back a long way. Immigrants to the New World from the provinces of Friesland and Groningen simply couldn't forget this tradition. And so it happened that on September the 28th, 1728, a trotting race was organized in the States, presented as a typical old Frisian popular entertainment. It was a huge success, and the number of races increased dramatically. And thus from the United States outwards, trotting races started spreading all over the world. The Frisian horse is part and parcel of Frisian folklore, and important cultural events like the annual country wedding in Yaure would be unthinkable without the presence of Frisians. And there they go. The bride and bridegroom, relatives and friends and gigs on their way to the official wedding ceremony.
Hartelijk welkom, Jere. deze boerenbrulopsdag. En wij hebben, zat op een jaar oerol en altijd verzwijgen dat het goed is, ik zwaar van knap waar. En dus wordt het een mooie dag.
Joet de 25 juli 2001 binnen van mij.
Every year again, thousands of visitors attend the ceremony, the meal, the trotting race, and all that goes with it. And the wedding knows its symbolical presence as well. Doves, symbol of the same fidelity that a horse is capable of. The presentation of the bridegroom's pipe, and then the smoke, and then the celebrations can begin. At the country wedding, the guests have a go at tilting at the ring. They form couples, and the winner bears the highly valued golden whip. The gig, that posh carriage on wheels, is essential at this competition, and the harnessing. The Frisian farmer passionately loved his horses, not only when doing the daily work, but also for leisure activities. He wouldn't want to miss a harnessing day for the world. His whole family would be involved, everybody joining in the preparation.
Dat vind ik het leukste van de dag. En als ik uit de baan kom, dan sta je zo daar en ik sta bij mij precies.
The horses and drivers were prepared for the competition with care and expertise. With meticulous care, every detail was inspected, from horseshoe to headbridge.
Ik zei het in woorden, gaat nog nooit zo creëren. Wie gaat dat dingen? Ik.
In deze mooie rubriek om het kampioenschap van Veulens.
When the decisive moments draw near, the tension mounts for horse and rider alike. Who will ride the finest horse today? Whose trot will make the greatest impression? Every detail is essential. And what about the jury? What will draw their attention? All the competitors will be scrutinized and fairly judged, but who will bear away the first prize and who won't? Only when the results are announced the excitement lessens, and then there will be exhilaration or disappointment. In these competitions, prizes can be won in various categories. The single horse driven by ladies, the team in front of the competition carriage,
dat deze uitslag daarmee definitief is. Niet ook nog wat team en op de herentribune en dan deze strijdbal van twee mannen dames.
and then the finest spectacle of all, the royal combinations of two Frisians drawing the gig. A fascinating combination of sheer beauty, excitement and concentration. Everyone desires to bear away the prize, also when riding the difficult Clover of Three. And when you do become the day's champion, there is no modesty left. The finest presentation of the Frisian horse is in the quadrille. For almost 40 years, this spectacle has fascinated horse enthusiasts in London, Paris, Düsseldorf, but especially, of course, in its country of origin, Friesland. The Frisian quadrille originates from the Quadrilla tournament as they were held in Spain. In it, the riders rode in a square formation. It is also related to a dance form dating back to the 18th century. The quadrille with Frisians is a combination of refined dance figures, the splendor of the authentic carriages and costumes, and the elegant gait of the Frisian horse. Every time again one is captivated by the intricate movements, the exquisite expertise of the horseman, all this presented in a complex and dazzling show. The 12 stallions of the Frisian Carousel constitute the genetic basis for future breeding. They are the impressive progenitors that fill one with pride. The riders highlight the maneuverability of the stallion in ancient historical figures. Uniformity in color, dress and movement of riders and horses is an essential feature. In the cavalry, riding the carousel used to be part of the examination procedures. Nowadays it gives the enthusiasts a chance to show their skills and their passion for their horses, simultaneously paying tribute to an old practice. More and more often people take their hats off for their classic dressage with the Frisians. The bond that used to exist between farmer and horse is now represented in the unity between horsewoman and horse. This oneness of horse and rider already exhilarated the ancient Greeks. Taking part in international competitions is of the utmost importance for the promotion of the Frisian horse. The putting to of the horses, regularity, suppleness of gait and overall control are all equally essential in the presentation. At the proficiency trials, a jury both judges the discipline displayed by the horses and the expertise of the drivers. The Frisian four-in-hand is a great promoter of Friesland's pride. It is based at the Stad Farm at Zwarte Paard. With the four-in-hand goes the marathon, during which various obstacles will have to be overcome. To be in any way successful, the horses will have to show great stamina and be in great shape at the same time. The same holds good for the driver. He will have to set the right pace, show regularity in the gaits, keep both horse and wagon in check, and he will have to react perfectly to any untoward movement his horses might make. The equestrian sport has now become popular among people from all walks of life, and in Holland alone some 500,000 enthusiasts go in for it. Due to great international successes, the interest in dressage has been dramatically on the increase, and the Frisian horse plays an important role in this development. The number of Frisians taking part in dressage competitions increases yearly. More than 200 competitors present themselves at the annual dressage championships in Hoofddorp. It is mainly the local breeding associations that secure the prize-winning qualities of both horse and driver. Many champions had their first experience with judges at this level. It is here that they first felt the tension between winning and losing, between joy and deception. Driving your horses along the cones in the perfect harmony of dressage and pure skill offers a particular challenge for the drivers. Frisians have successfully competed in the annual driving competitions in Ermelo. And there they are, majestic Frisians drawing the Queen's golden coach with pride and elegance. This has been a tradition at the annual opening of Parliament for years, and for many it is the most glorious moment of the day. The Royal Society, the Frisian Stadboek, has its seat in Drachten, and it registers all Frisian horses. Immediately after their birth, foals are registered here and entered in the foal book. Subsequently, every stage in a horse's life is carefully documented, the computers at the center recording all its vicissitudes. It is from these records that both owners and breeders can obtain the invaluable stud book documents for their mares and stallions. When a horse is 3 years old, it is judged by expert inspectors who pay particular attention to this breed's special features, walk and trot. The young foals are judged as well. In this way, the breeding of the Friesians is closely watched, its ultimate goal being the preservation and improvement of this noble breed. These inspections are being held all over the world. Regional stud associations also play an important part in this. The Frisian Stud Book Society annually organizes the central inspection of mares and stallions in either Leeuwarden or Drachten. These inspections, where the future of the breed is being determined, are attended by thousands of enthusiastic spectators. All horses having the same black color, the identification of a Frisian horse is of the utmost importance. In the past, all horses used to be branded with an individual number. Nowadays, a chip with a unique code is injected into the left neck. This chip can be read electronically from the outside, thus eliminating any possible confusion. Even when a number of horses of the same color and age are herded together, the identity of each can be unequivocally established. Artificial insemination is an important aid in improving the stud book qualities of the Frisian horse. This technique enables breeders to use the semen of a carefully selected stud book stallion all over the world. The semen of a sire is acquired in a semen collecting station. Its quality is examined, it is then diluted and preserved in liquid nitrogen. Stored in small containers, the semen tubes can now find their way to the mares. Modern techniques enable the breeders to establish whether a mare is in foal only a few months after insemination. Via the rectum, a scanner can be inserted, and the growth of the foal can be made visible on a monitor. But it is not only the semen that is in global demand. Frisian horses are transported by airliner to any destination in the world. The lovers of these horses devote much time and energy to the well-being of their animals and their training. Although the majority of them are in no way professionals, they do strive for high professional standards in all the aspects of their care and training. The Frisian Stud Book Society boasts more than 10,000 members, many of them owning a horse first and foremost for sport and recreation. Every day again they enjoy their rides on horseback or take their children and grandchildren for a ride through the countryside in a horse-drawn carriage. Others again just enjoy grooming their pet horse. The Frisian horse can be put to many uses, and it is undoubtedly this unique feature that has made this breed so popular in our modern society.